Hi, I'm MuMe, and welcome to MuMeFunnel.com. We're going to explore how to optimize your conversions right now.
So, have you ever bought a really powerful piece of software thinking this is it, this is going to solve all my problems, only to find yourself still stuck in total chaos? Yeah, you are not alone. In this explainer, we're going to dive into how you can transform a complex digital tool from a source of frustration into a powerful automated marketing system that actually builds momentum for you. You know, the core idea we're exploring today is really a shift in thinking. Most of us, we think about progress in a straight line, right? Step 1, step 2, step 3. But a truly effective system, it's not linear at all. It's more like a spiral. Each cycle builds on the last one, creating this momentum that just compounds over time. It's all about creating a digital system that can evolve, engage, and convert, all on its own. And this just perfectly frames the problem we're all trying to solve. On the left, you've got a tool. What does that mean? It means chaos. It means guesswork. It means a bunch of standalone apps that just don't talk to each other. But on the right, you have a system. And that's where you find calm, because everything is structured, everything is connected. The goal here is to move from just having the software to having a true operational system. Okay, so our first section gets right to the heart of it all, the huge difference between a tool and a system. A lot of businesses feel chaotic for this exact reason. They're operating with a collection of powerful but totally disconnected tools. I mean, at the end of the day, having the best software in the world means absolutely nothing if it's not built into a cohesive system that works for you. All right, now let's get into the practical stuff, the actionable part of all this. This next section is basically your blueprint for turning all that chaos into calm. We are going to walk through the exact process for building the foundation of a reliable revenue system step by step. So here's the crucial point. You do not have to build this from zero. The process starts by loading what's called a starter snapshot. Just think of it like a pre-built template. It's got funnel pages, forms, and basic automations already in place for you. This is your fastest path to a win. From there, you just set up lead capture, configure the automation, customize your funnel to match your brand, and then, of course, monitor and improve. You're editing, not guessing from scratch. And let's just dig a little deeper into that lead capture step. A really great system has multiple entry points, whether it's someone filling out a form, using a chat widget on your site, booking a call on your calendar, or even making a payment. And this right here is the real power of a system. All of these different entry points feed into the exact same clean, organized database. No more scattered data everywhere. Now, building the system, that's just the beginning. The real journey is in mastering it. This section lays out the growth path, from being just a simple operator to becoming a true automation architect. It's all about evolving your skills and your mindset as you get more and more comfortable with your system. And here's that breakdown. At level 1, you're a starter operator. Your mindset is pretty simple. I can build this. And your goal is just to get a working funnel that captures leads. But then you move to level 2 and you become a systems operator. Your mindset shifts. Now it's, my system doesn't break. You're focused on clean data, predictable behavior, and using cool tools like lead scoring. Finally, at level 3, you're an automation architect. Your mindset is totally different. I design the logic. You're creating human-like automation with complete control. Now, I just mentioned lead scoring, so you might be wondering, what is that? Well, it's a really key skill for a systems operator. To put it simply, it's the practice of assigning points to your leads based on what they do, like opening an email, clicking a link, or visiting a specific page on your website. This lets your system automatically figure out and prioritize your hottest prospects for you. Pretty cool, right? This brings us to our final section, and it's really about the ultimate goal here. See, it's not enough for your system to just work. It's not enough to just be in motion. The real goal is to create a system that works for you, compounding your efforts over time to build real, sustainable momentum. In this quote, it just says it all, doesn't it? The entire point of building this structure, the funnels, the automations, the clean data, is to convert that initial effort into something that powers itself forward. Structure isn't the end goal. Momentum is. So I'll leave you with this question to think about. Take a look at your own marketing and sales efforts. Are you just busy, constantly in motion, running from one task to the next? Or have you actually built a system that is compounding your efforts and building unstoppable momentum? Because that is the difference between having a tool and having a true system.